Oh, okay, okay. What for? What for?
It's for a good reason.
Okay, okay.
I think when I was joining your program,
Yeah.
I didn't tell you that time, but when I was joining, I think I was in like one almost $6,000 debt.
Okay.
So I'm going to go and pay it tomorrow.
Oh, okay. You almost done paying the
Not
money.
collect payouts.
You almost done paying it. Okay, you'll be finishing the money tomorrow. Okay, okay. Uh, Bello, back to class now. I think people are already joining. Bello, are you there?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, we'll talk after class. People are already joining. Uh, can you confirm if you can hear me? Let me try to share my screen now. I will still live streaming. Let me confirm that first. Okay, we're still live streaming.
Yes, I can hear you.
Confirm if you can see my screen.
I can see your screen, sir.
Okay. Let me send out the Zoom, the live. Let me send out the YouTube link. Why is it not showing me that we're live?
It showed me that we're live streaming to YouTube.
But I'm not seeing it on our YouTube channel.
Okay, let me check on my phone.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, it's on now. It's on. I can
All
see
right,
that
sir.
now. Mm, okay. Good evening, everyone. How do you do? Sounds
Good evening,
really
sir.
right. Right. All right. All right. You can see your screen. All right. Thank you. All right. So, happy new week, everybody. And I'm believing it's going to be a great week for us all.
Amen.
But yeah, God help me, we'll do better than we did last week. Last week was a good week. We ended the week with about 20 hours. Crazy week. So that looks good. And the good part is all the trade were given straight on the live course. Not like we sent before or after. Every one of us will analyze it. We analyze all the trades together. This week, we're going to be repeating the same thing. This time around, we want to do it better. We want to do it better by trading profit challenge together. Now, this is not to prove anything to anyone. No, I'm not interested in that. My only interest is to see every one of us doing good. Right. I just want to see us doing good and at least to be able to build our confidence that if we can do it collectively together, even you on your own, you follow the same thing we're going to be doing, you yourself, you can do it. Let me tell you, I'll do my best to be much available throughout the week. And God help me. You guys are have if you're active, I'm active. That's one thing I can promise you. So let's see what we can do this week. I'll leave you guys in a minute. Let's wait for others to join. But while we're waiting, you can let me know if there's any pair you want me to analyze. We'll try as much as possible to analyze all the pairs. But I can't promise that we're going to do all that. But at least the major pairs I trade, we're going to check all of them and see what to expect. Right. Then if on your own part there are pairs you want me to look at, we can also do that if we have enough time. Once again, you're welcome to class. I'll see you in a few minutes. Just hold on, please. Okay, I'm here now. Can we all hear me? Can you all hear me? Confirm below if you can hear me.
Yeah, sir.
All right, fine. My pin is visible as well.
Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
All right. So let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. So first analysis is gold. You all know how much I love gold. So let's see what happens. Price still look very much okay. On the monthly, price look bullish. So let's see weekly. Last week something happened. Something happened last week that caught my attention. If you look at this, just before last week, look at where we're coming from. Price was coming from this open and close. We ran into this resistance level here. No, we didn't get there. We didn't get to the resistance level. We ran into this open and close. So price started rejecting on the weekly. If we are to truly sell, what do we want to see? Once price rejects on weekly, scale down to daily to see what to say expansion. So let's see, do we have an expansion on the daily? Well, we don't have any meaningful expansion. You can argue that what about this guy? But in a way, it's not looking too good. We'll go to our line charts. It's not looking too good, right? But then let's not neglect that part yet. We'll still come back there. So if we're to truly sell, 4 hours should then send a message to us. 4 hours should then send a message to us. Yeah, so let's see what we have on 4 hours. 4 hours looks very dirty, except the fact that price reacted to this resistance level. Right. So what will I do again? Weekly is saying, let's go back to what happened just last week itself. Price did something really important that I like. Last week, price swept the low of this guy now. Can we say that? Price swept the low of this guy. If we truly want to buy, then want to see expansion on daily. Do you have any meaningful expansion on the daily? No. No. I was thinking Friday was to give us that expansion, but unfortunately, that didn't happen. So what will I do? Most probably, I'm just going to be waiting out tomorrow on gold. What do I want to see? I want to see if tomorrow will break this level on the daily. Now that's first part based on what we're seeing on the weekly. There's another approach to it on the daily time frame. So weekly rejected. I will go back again. Weekly rejected. We swept the low of the previous week, and this guy will have been our target. But this guy is our target, right? To sweep this low, we'll be looking at this guy here, this eye. Okay. So on sweeping this low now, going to the daily, what do we want to see? I want to see an expansion. But nothing of such is happening yet. If tomorrow breaks this high, then we can just join the 4 hours entry opportunity, buy onto this high staking. You know how we did the last time on gold? I said something, no matter how good your entry is, if you don't have a targeted level, then there's problem. So now, what do we want to see? We already established where we're going to. We already established where we're going to on the weekly, but we still need the daily to expand. So what am I saying? I want to see tomorrow break this level. I want to see tomorrow close above this level. It doesn't have to be tomorrow. Still be Tuesday, Wednesday, anytime. But I want to see an expansion, right? I want to see an expansion on the daily. Then we can now join from forward. What am I saying? I need this level to go. I need us to break this level. And so if we can break this level, so we'll have something like this. All right, then we can buy until this level is taken out. So for gold, that's that about gold. We're still waiting. Now, this is based on the weekly analysis. Let's see what's happening straight from daily. If we're framing our buyers from daily, let's see what's happening. Now, if you pay attention to gold on the daily, price is coming from this open and close. Same way we can argue that price is coming from this resistance. So what do you want to see on 4 hours? If price is to truly buy, want to see expansion on 4 hours. Price did something on Friday. Very funny. Price expanded here. We had all this, guy. Price came here. Price expanded. Price found something, I don't know, whatsoever it is to buy from. That we did last week. We already made money from down, so we're not interested in that. We're looking at the new week. So now look at what happened on Friday. We had a new expansion on this 4 hours. So what will I look out for? Entry on 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and the likes of them. So what can happen? Gold is looking good. Gold is looking good. Gold is looking very good. Based on the daily time frame now, we can just have a buy here. What do we have here? Anyone, based on what we studied so far? Oh, people cannot talk. Okay, sorry. We have this support level, right? Our price came to disrespected it and then we later bought. So now, what am I saying? This support level was meant to be for buy earlier, but price disrespected this level. So that became what? A resistance level for sell. Then price respected it a little, this sell, then went up to disrespect. So it's now back to what? It's now back to the support level that we're looking at first. So what can happen? I don't want price to take out this high yet before price just drop. So what can happen? Market can just open. Market can decide to buy from where it is currently. It's very fine because if we look at it to the live sell, price has already reacted to this guy. Though price bought already, and then price look this level came down. Okay, my best bet, my own best take is price come back to this same support level that got disrespected earlier. Buy from there, stop loss just here. Then we'll tie that for, we're expecting tomorrow to break on the weekly for us to have an expansion, right? So most probably this can happen with our gold. Most probably this can happen with our gold. It's Monday, so every day is tradable and every day is fine. It just depends on what you're doing with the market. I will follow me always sleepy. Are we active?
We're active, sir.
All right. We're active. Someone says something is blocking the name. The name of what? Most probably this can happen with our gold. Sorry? It's good. We're analyzing gold. So I'm sure the name is clear. All right, so so how was it called now? We have this for gold. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting gold to buy from this level. And I want to see tomorrow break Friday. I want to see an expansion on the daily. If price should truly break this level on the daily, then we're good to see weekly now aligns with everything we need to see from the daily. All right, all right. While we're still here, why not click the share button, put it on any platform you belong to. Tag me on Twitter. I'll repost as much as I see it so we can help others to join us as well. You can put on your Telegram, your WhatsApp, anywhere, just anywhere. Take a minute to do that now. Take a minute to do that. So wait for others to join us. All right. Let's go. So that's that about gold. Take a minute to do that. I'll wait for you. You don't need to worry. You won't miss out on anything. This is what I'm expecting from gold. I'm expecting gold to buy tomorrow. All things being equal. Expecting gold to buy tomorrow. Although my eye is not close to the fact that we're coming from here, but I do not see any reason. The fact that price was unable to sweep this low. Sorry, this high. Price didn't really sweep this guy. So the fact that price didn't sweep this guy, I expect this guy to still be preserved, right? To be protected. So if this guy is protected, our stop loss is protected. Looks very nice. I'll be attempting a buy on gold tomorrow. Let's do 2 hours as well. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, we already established the 1 hour buy, so that's fine. Let's see 3 hours. All right, we'll go with our 1 hour buy. Please just know that whatever I'm telling you, it's just my own take about this market. None of them. I don't have control over the market. It's just what me I say from this market based on the system I trade. Based on the system I trade. This is what I'm saying based on the system I trade. So I'll be looking to buy gold here tomorrow. Stop loss just a little above this guy right here. And that should be fine. This should be fine. Right? I hope you guys got your prop accounts. We're going to be trading our prop firm together starting tomorrow. What's our risk plan around it? For phase 1, the minimum I love to risk for phase 1, for the challenge phase, not phase 1 alone. The minimum I love to risk for the challenge phase, well, the fact I'm doing it with you all now, I will say 1%. But when I'm trading challenge phase, I don't risk 1%. Minimum I do is 2%. Yes, because I don't see why I need to waste time on any challenge phase. Okay. But for the sake of public calls now, we're going to stick with either 1% or 0.5. I'll advise 1% though. I will advise 1%. I don't see us losing 10 trades on the row. Well, it can happen. It can happen. But I don't see us losing 10 trades on the row. All right. And we're only going to take 1 trade at a time. Even if we see 50 setup, we're only going to agree to take only 1 trade at a time. Once we're done with that, then we'll move to the next one. Okay. So let's go with 1 trade at a time. This is what I see on gold. Can we move on? If we're fine, let's see. So gold, we're fine. Let's go to our NAS. 100 down US30. All right, so let's go to US30. Now looking at US30. Last week swept this high. Sorry, like last 2 weeks swept this high. Then last week brought it to the low. So the targeted point for the sell was completed on this guy. Okay, so let's see. Targeted point was completed on that guy. Okay, if that's the case, if that's the case, how did we not close last week? Last week ran into this open and close right here, which is for buy. Then let's see what we have. Daily did something, daily expanded because this is an engulfing. So engulfing on the daily is a sweep and break on 4 hours. We check all the pairs. I'm seeing you guys' messages, so don't worry. With half time, we're going to check them. So we have price engulf here, which is a form of expansion. Right? So I'm going down to 4 hours. Let's see what we have. 4 hours already peaked though. Okay. This was the what was it? The engulfing we had on Friday. So what will happen? If we truly want to buy, I want to see price break this level. All right, for your state, I want to wait until price break this level. Now, if I mention the name of the products, like I'm giving them, what's it called? A form of shout out there, and then in a way, you guys know I'm related with funny tips. I don't want to promote any other film on any of my channel here. So let's leave that. I just have an account to trade with. Let's leave it at that first. Never can tell. Kalu might be watching this tomorrow. So, what was I saying? So I want to say expansion of ours. I want to see. In fact, if we break this level, before this guy, I can take this as expansion and I'll get it back. Do you understand? But for now, we're going to need to wait until you start to break this guy. So let's set alarm for this guy. We're going to need
Yes, sir.
to until price break this guy. When we break, then we'll continue. So that's for US 30. Let's go to National 120. National 120 did something really important on Friday. So weekly, we check the weekly. Look at what we have here. The last expansion we had on the weekly was this guy. So the last expansion we had on the weekly. The price did something. Price swept the whole of that expansion. Remember what we learned the last time in our class? We said we have a sweep, then we have break. We stated clearly that, for instance, when we have something like this, let's say we'll have something like this. When price close above this guy with week, we said this is a sweep, and this indicates what? Reversal, right? Most probably a change of trend, right? This indicates what? Change in trend. So based on what we have here now, see, if we truly want to sell, we want to see price close below here with body. Price rejected. Price rejected from this guy. So weekly rejected from this low. So I want to ask, what about this key level below here? Don't worry, we'll get there. But price rejected from this level. Want to see daily. What do you want to have on daily engulfing? Or a break, an expansion, whatever you call it. As you can see clearly, we didn't engulf, we didn't break. So not much information from this weekly time frame was it called on charts, unless two things can happen. Number one, price can decide to drop, take out last week low, tap into this key level, and then we'll wait for daily 4 hours to align. But for now, nothing new is happening. Just that price has swept last week low and rejected. Daily is just to give us either engulfing or expansion. So what are we going to do? We're going to need to wait. The price now run into this support level that got disrespected, turn to resistance now. And I'll just wait. I'll wait my 100 out for now. Yes, you want to say, okay, what about this low swept? I don't mean to go for this. You're not wrong. Let's see. We had an expansion. We had an expansion here on Friday. Price tagged into it and went up a little. So what am I saying? Based on what I have on NAS 100, I'll wait for more information to do anything. I'll wait for more information on NAS 100 before I do anything. Yes, we rejected from this level, which is not bad. But Daily is not saying much yet. The only thing that Daily has done so far is that Daily has swept Thursday low, right? And we're expecting this high to go. If that's the case, we have an expansion on 4 hours. Had an expansion on 4 hours, which is good. Entry on 45, any of your entry time frame now, depending on you. I see what price it there. There was no clean, what's it called? There was no clean imbalance around this guy going to trade from. Then price not give this other entry again. That one already went to TP. So on NAS 100, I'll wait that. I'll wait. I need more information from NAS 100. Now let's go to German 40. After German 40, then we're now going to your currency pairs and so on. I've been saying it since God knows when that this low just have to go. So finally, that low is gone now. So last week, what did we do? Rejected from here. Not much from the weekly. Then same thing happened here. We swept Thursday low. On sweeping Thursday low, tightening the Thursday high. Now let's see what happened. 4 hours, what do we have? We had an expansion on 4 hours. I didn't know why I didn't check German 40 on Friday. Only God knows why. We had an expansion on 4 hours. Entry opportunity on 1 hour. I would have been careful here though. Swept this high, then I expect this low to go before any meaningful buy. Our price respected it though. Let's see, probably 4 hours gave something else. Okay. I'll have been careful there. Let's see 45 minutes. So 1 hour. Okay. I see what price did. Price just came for the support level, but from there. All right, that's fine. But now here's what will happen. The buy on German 40 is still valid until this level, this high here on the daily. That's Thursday. I will have to go and take out Thursday. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting tomorrow to come, break above this guy, give us 1 hour entry, and then we'll buy to this level. So German 40 looks ready. The only thing is we're just waiting for tomorrow to close above. Like we're waiting for 4 hours to break this level. If we break that level, we're good to go. But that we're done breaking itself. So this guy most probably just have to go have something like this. They will have a buy inside here to go take out, at least to buy to this level. So I'll be watching out for German 40 buy with only one thing in place. 4 hours have to give us a new expansion. 4 hours have to give us a new expansion. Yes, so we'll have the new expansion in 4 hours. We'll fire. All right. I know a few of you might be seeing sell all around here. I don't know, but based on my own little knowledge, the only thing that will make us sell is saying, if tomorrow opens, take out Friday high, which is okay, tap into this level, give us rejection, and go from 4 hours, 1 hour opportunity for sell. Yes, of course, I'll join the sell. But most probably, if that won't happen, and 4 hours expand, rather than just reacting to this guy with a rejection, we'll have something like this. A body close above this level, then 1 hour give me entry opportunity was buy. I'll buy to this level. So that's that. But based on weekly activity now, there's nothing really, really good around German 40. I'm only working with what we have on the daily. All right, I'll stay together.
Yes, Cam.
All right. Someone has been saying Euro card, Euro card. Just calm down. We need to check everything. So let's go to currency now. Let's see what we have on currency. Let's start with Euro USD first. Sorry, Forex. Let's use the forex.com. So let's start with Euro USD. Euro USD is still very much bearish, and we're to sell until, let's see. Euro USD is very much bearish. See where we started from a few weeks ago? No, a week ago before this one. Started from this open and close. Price rejected. So I'm looking at this low. And you can see the way last week closed. Last week broke this low already. So signify more sales, right? Well, my first targeted point on Euro is this. Let's see daily. Daily two is coming from this guy. This was the last expansion we had to the down part, to the downside. Then price already reacted there. We're selling. Friday did something very important. Friday swept Thursday high. Right. It didn't tap into this level, but swept Thursday high, then sold. So what am I expecting? What am I expecting? I expect that price will still come for this guy. Price will just use this guy as inducement. So a form of little buy for us to come into this sell. Then we'll sell until this low is gone. First targeted point will be this guy. All right. But this low just have to go. So let's see what will happen for us. It's not bad. What I just said is not bad around here. Now we can see there's this support level here that got disrespected just above Friday high. Right. Then there's this also resistance level that got disrespected, turned to buy, that sponsored this merge buy up here. So what will I be looking at? The whole of this guy here. This guy here will be a point of interest for me. This guy will be a point of interest for me. Or I don't, as much as I know we're bearish, right? I want to see every reason to sell. I'm not just going to jump in, boom, like that. No. In fact, if you want to be extremely careful, what I would advise you is this: wait for price to target. Wait for price to give 4 hours expansion, 1 hour opportunity for sell, then sell to this low is taken out. This is the best way to approach it. Just setting limit down the 4 hours time frame looks very, very dangerous. You know why? Yes, your direction is correct that we're selling, but the question is, at what specific level are we going to be selling? If you look at this is how I like to approach my markets. I had an expansion to the down part. So if I'm to even sell, I love to sell inside the resistance level. The first level I'll see inside my resistance level is this open and close. Right. So what can happen? The same level we're looking at, okay, price will come here. Right. Price can start selling from here, but I won't be surprised if price starting to this open and close, then sell from here till this way is gone. Yes. So what will I wait for? I'll wait for this on the daily. I want to see rejection, 4 hours expansion, entry opportunity, then good. If that fails to happen, guys, give me a minute. What's happening? If that fails to happen, then I want to see price run here, give me expansion, 1 hour sweep and break, or so entry opportunity use. Right. But I'll be watching out for these two levels. Let me set alarm when it comes. I don't just want to enter straight. I'm going to see reason to enter for 4 hours and 1 hour or any of my entry time frame. All right, can you give me a minute? Give me a minute. Let me check up my girl. I don't know why she's crying this much. All right, sorry guys, I'm here now. I'm here. I hope you guys can hear me.
So, okay.
All right. So I'm going to be looking at Euro. In fact, I'm interested in Euro this week. The price action looks very fine and very, very clean. I'm interested in Euro this week. My first level will be this guy. I want to see how price behavior, and I want to see how price behavior. These 2 points. Price is going to sell either from this level. The price should come from here. This guy is going to be extremely cheap. This guy is going to be extremely cheap. Honestly, the price is going to be extremely cheap. But we're not going to be setting limit order, right? There are things say I took it off though, but the way I approach the market is ABC equals to XYZ. So I want to see ABC happen, then I can do XYZ. Not like because I'm seeing A now, then I'll just jump on XYZ. No. One step at a time. When all of them align together, then we'll fire on. All right, we're good. Let's proceed. Now, like I said, if you're online, just share this link. Let others join us as well. Okay, so let's go to GU. Let's go to GU. Checking the weekly now, what do we have? GU on the weekly looks very funny, kind of. GU on the weekly looks funny. Price serve this guy. Price could not do anything. Last week's sale didn't really do much on the weekly. Let's see daily. Okay. Now this is funny. Based on single candle, what's it called? Range now. Serve this low. We'll be looking at this high on the daily, right? So price must have tried to buy, although we didn't engage trial last week. Stop. We didn't engage trial last week. So what would I love to see? The recent expansion I had on GU was to the downside. But the only bad part is the fact that price check this low. So whatsoever thing is happening around here, price will most likely want to come for this high. But don't worry, since we're not setting limits order, we're going to be waiting to see how price reacts here, because this also can be a form of liquidity. Price to take out this guy, then we'll consider this low to go. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to wait because this guy is already within the premium level. Can you see that? This guy is already within the premium level. So it's safe to say if price come there, look for sell. Now, if you look at where price is really coming from here, this open and close, right? That's where the sell started from some days ago. That's where the sell started from some days ago. So the final targeted level can be this guy. All together. So what will I be doing? I'll be waiting to see GU come back to this level. I want to see expansion on 4 hours entry opportunity. Yeah, we'll fire. All right. So this is about GU. Let's see. Here's the JPY. Let's see USD JPY. On the weekly, USD JPY did something. Oops, stop, madam. Stop. On the weekly, price did something. Let's look at it here. Well, if we look at weekly together, price reacted off this resistance level. Let's see daily. Daily did not expand. Nothing meaningful on the daily. So what will I do? I'll wait to use the JPY out. And the way price closed last week, price closed very bullish. So for now, sell has not been confirmed yet. Sell has not been confirmed yet on USD JPY. The sell has not been confirmed yet. So what we will do is wait. The sell on USDG Pro hasn't been confirmed yet. So we're going to need to wait for USDG Pro. We're going to need to wait 1 minute for around there yet. The sell hasn't been confirmed. Let's look at USDG Pro. Same thing happened. Price reacted off this resistance level. Let's see the daily. Daily 2, no expansion. So JPY pays there. I feel like it's a form of trap currently. Yes, because if you are looking at it, price, not all though, but for the two we've checked now, price reacted from a resistance level. If price is to truly sell, let me give you a clue to what will have happened. If price is to truly sell, Friday will have swept the high of this guy. So what will have happened? This is what will have happened if price was to truly sell. This is how price will have closed. Price will have swept that high. Price will have closed below this guy with body. Do you understand? Therefore, we'll not have an engulfing. We now sweep to 4 hours. You're not going to see entry opportunity like a form of sweep and break. More like we're going to see something here. But as it is right now, honestly, the sell hasn't been confirmed. The sell hasn't been confirmed. Except maybe for your own system. But based on what I trade, the sell hasn't been confirmed. So we still need to wait. All right, we need more information. And if we check the daily, this is where this thing is very funny. You can see that price ran into this open and close, which is for buy now. What do you want to see? To see 4 hours expansion. So what will most likely happen? Price can break this guy. All right, price can break this guy. If we break this guy, we'll go to 1 hour to look for entry. Right. I think the 4 sellers are, the early sellers will be trapped on GJ. For USDJ Pro and GPJ Pro. But we need more information. We need more information. So I'll set alarm for this too. I want to see price break this level. All right. So I think the good guys we've seen, we're setting alarm for all of them. Right. Not to worry. Even tomorrow we're still going to do our live trading section. I'm just giving you my own take. A few of them we need to wait. Now, if you look at AUD/USD, I don't know why I don't like this pair. It's cool. All pairs are okay. It's just based on you as a person. Price was calling from this guy. Remember, this is weekly, and another one was coming from him. Price has gotten to TP here. Because the tip is this guy. This is what we'll have it. Then we'll have this expansion here again. We'll have this expansion here. This guy is bearish. AUD/USD is bearish. I'll be looking for more sell on AUD/USD. Considering the fact that the last expansion will have to the downside on the weekly is this guy. Even if you consider this, but let's focus on this. Right. If you go to daily, you can see we had an expansion here. Thursday ran to that level, and then boom, we sold. So now something happened on Friday. We swept this low. Swept this low, and most probably will be tightening this side. But one thing is not very crucial that is happening here that I love. As much as we're tightening this side, we have a level to sell from here, this resistance level here. So price can even sell. This looks so much like the NAS 100. You guys will remember. Price can even sell from here. But like I said, we're not setting limits. So what am I expecting? I expect price to pull back here, but not just pull back into this level. I'll expect price to do T pull back. Most probably take out this high, right? Because of this level. Most probably take out this high. Then we'll see 4 hours expansion. We'll see 1 hour entry opportunity. Then we'll sell. But the next sell we're calling for this guy. Above all, AUD/USD is bearish. That's one thing I can tell you. Monthly looks so bearish. Weekly looks so bearish. Even daily. The only thing is that daily on Friday swept one low, which is a form of what's it called? Trap. for those who be willing to sell early or those who just trade pattern without the logic behind what they're trading, right? But as you can see, weekly it closed bearish last week. We're still very much bearish on AUD/USD. I'm bearish on AUD/USD. What will I be selling from? I'll be selling once this. I need this high to go first. This high just have to be taken out. So this high get taken out, tap into this level, then we'll sell. All right. So I'll just set alarm for when we take out this guy. All right. That's that for AUD/USD. Here's the card. Let's say 5K, I can't go here. All right, but I'm not doing giveaway. Whenever the giveaway resume, if by month end, you can participate. The thing is, you guys don't even encourage, not you guys, but like most people don't encourage me with this giveaway. People will be shouting, give us account, give us account. Then boom, you give them account. 2 hours after the account, them, off you go. Right, off you go. What will happen? They blow up their accounts. So you guys are not encouraging me with it. But if I see, if the next account I'm going to be giving out, I'll be very, very intentional about those I give. Right. If I see you put in the work, like I see people passing prop accounts based on giveaway, of course I'll be motivated. I'll be motivated to do more. Do you understand? But most people just take account. Boom. Next thing is out. One of my friend or brother said something. He said unprofitable traders are only disciplined when they don't have accounts. I'm not saying to you, I'm just saying, like most times, this is why I don't like to run profit and giveaway. All right, so last week looks so bullish. In fact, we broke this level right here. We broke this guy here. Let's see, daily. Daily already even expanded for us. Sorry. All right, so weekly we close bullish, eh? Buy on USD card. Daily itself, daily did something. Daily ran into this guy. They didn't do anything on 4 hours. There's nothing on 4 hours. So USD card is bullish. I'm bullish on USD card. I'm bearish on AUD/USD. I'm bearish on EUR/USD. And waiting for more information about the JPY/PS, GJUJ. I'm waiting for more information around there. And you can see Friday did something. Friday didn't sweep this low. Right. What did Friday do? Friday just still close above in a way. So what will I be waiting for? I want to see price run back into this guy or this open and close. But let's evaluate first. Usually whenever I'm taking a trade, I want to see any of my buy inside my discount level. If I'm buying, I want to see all my buy inside discount level. So what will most probably happen to this guy? This guy will come down, take out Friday low, tag into this, either this resistance level that got broken, or tag into this open and close right here. Then we'll start framing our buyers for buy. But overall, USD card is very, very bullish. I think I remember when Mansour Mustafa won an account state. I think I remember when you won an account that you passed. It's from one of these my whole student. I remember him very well. All right, so USD card, I'm bullish on that. USD card, I'm bullish on that. I'm not sure I have the energy to go through all the pairs. All right, because we're going to be going through all of them tomorrow. This is what we're going to do now. We're going to take like 10 minutes, all right, to go through your top pairs that you guys want me to check. I've had people talk about Euro card and USD card. So let's go check Euro card. So let's see Euro card. Euro GBP, nothing can make me analyze that pair. I dislike it that. I don't even check it. Nothing, like nothing. Nothing. I can't remember the last time. Bro. I don't even know how that pair behaves again. Nothing. Not like there's anything, but In a way, it's too slow for my own system. It's too slow for my system, so I don't bother checking. All right, so let's check Eurocard. Weekly, we rejected from here. We close above this level. Weekly looks very bullish on Eurocard. For now, let's see more information. Daily. Oh, nice. We'll sweep this low. Right, then, okay, nice. We cannot give that we'll sweep this high and then we're expecting price to come here, but not the most. Price can just tag into this open and close. Price can just tag into this open and close. So what am I seeing now? Weekly already rejected. Daily to sweep this low. Coming from this open and close to sweep this low based on what we learned the last time. So I'm expecting this side to go. Let's say 4 hours. Powers give us expansion. Same way we swept that high. Powers stopped it. How come we didn't catch this sell? It's what's it called? This sell is more of a reversal than continuation, but no problem. So what am I expecting? All right, so I'm waiting for more. I'm waiting for price to come. I'm going to set alarm here. I want to see Monday or Tuesday anytime. I want to see Friday low taken out. Price tag into this open and close. We'll have rejection, then I'll follow up on 4 hours, 1 hour for entry. Buy onto this high. So I'm bullish on Eurocard. The Eurocard man, have I answered you? Eurocard, are you there? Right. So Eurocard, I'm bullish on Eurocard until this high is gone. Minimum, this high. All right. I'm bullish on Eurocard. Someone said NZD card, right? NZD card. Let's see NZD card. NZD card monthly looks so bearish. What? All right, so let's see what we'll have weekly. Weekly we swept last week. Swept last week low. So even if it's to sell to this level, but let's see. Let's see daily. Daily is not looking good. NZD card, I don't have anything on it. All right. Yes, we can argue that we swept this low. And then we're looking at this high. But I'd rather just stay out on this guy. All right. NZD card, I'll stay out. Okay. Which other one, guys? Which other one? ADC.
I think CAD-JPY.
Let's see CAD-JPY. After CAD-JPY, we'll see BTC, and then we'll call it a day. We already have projection on BTC since Thursday or Friday, but I didn't follow up on it. Okay, so CAD-JPY, let's see weekly. Weekly appear bullish. That's one thing. Daily. Oh, daily is looking nice. Very, very nice. We had an expansion. So it's the last expansion we'll have on the daily. And this guy is already within our discount level here. So I want to see price come here. I want to see 4 hours expansion. I want to see 1 hour entry opportunity that will take. But CAD-JPY is bullish. I'm bullish on CAD-JPY. It looks fine. Looks fine. But I want to see price respect this level first. So let's see Euro CHF. Euro CHF, then we'll go to BTC, call it a day. By 10, I want us to finish up. Euro CHF, I said it last week now. I think there was a man who was trying to sell on Friday. I told him to be careful that we're going for this high. Like you can see, price already swept this guy. So we're going to just join the buy on T. Yeah, Euro CHF. If price come back for you, just buy here. That's how you see check, man. If price come back for you, buy here. I can't guarantee price will come back, but if it comes back, just buy from that level. But most probably that's the last buy before that high is taken out. So Euro CHF, I answered you. I want to see price buy to this high, but this high is going. It must go, and this is most probably the last high. Sorry, the last buy before getting that level. Let me just put alarm here. So let's check BTC and then we'll call it a day. All right, we're looking at BTC. BTC can still drop there. Okay, I'm not on the buy yet, but I think I will join the buy soon. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This is very, very nice. Price even gave confirmation. So let's see if there's more buys. How come I didn't follow up on this BTC? BTC will still drop. To drop for this guy. Trend line has to go. I'm looking for a good place to position myself for the buy on BTC. I'm looking for a good level to position myself for the buy on BTC. So BTC is appearing bullish currently, considering what we did on weekly and considering daily as well. Now, what do I say on daily? I think I said this sometimes, maybe 2 days ago. We're reacting from this resistance level that got broken. Price stopped, rejected, 4 hours expanded. There was an expansion on 4 hours there. So entry opportunity, I've checked. Let me check for 5 minutes. 1 hour, let's see. 1 hour, let's see, we can buy. Let's say 2 hours. 2 hours, the same, we can buy from this resistance level. Let's say 3 hours. Same thing. So I'll set alarm for this guy. That's if price want to drop. This might be means for us. Well, considering this guy is trend line, then I feel price can most likely take this guy out and resume the buy. So in a way, BTC looks currently. Short-term bullish, yes. Short-term bullish on BTC. Or if prices don't want to come here on senior expansion along the line, then I join the party. All right. But I'll be looking for more buys on BTC than selling. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are able to learn one or two things. Make sure you
That's
watch.
good.
All right. Here you go.
Thank
By this
you.
video. You're welcome. Go watch this video as many times as you can. Share with your friends and everyone else. You can check the description box for the link to the Telegram if you're not there. If you find value on this video, or from this video rather, do your best to like, share, comment, and if you have any questions, you can always ask under the comment section. I'll take out time to go through all the questions and answer them. Once then, go fund your account, pay your prop from account as well. Tomorrow, which is Monday, we're going to resume our live section, live today section. I'm going to be doing it all together. I wish everybody good luck and happy trading this new week. Take care of yourself. Bye.